Welcome back, everybody. Today we have 2019 Heritage. This is a retail box, so obviously not a hobby box. 24 packs, 9 cards per pack. Look for real one autos and relics. I picked this up because it was obviously significantly cheaper than the hobby box. I think hobby boxes were right around 90 bucks. And I think this was 55 bucks with free shipping. I will eventually do a hobby box, but I wanted to pick this up now since it was cheaper. I'm not up to date on variations or who to look out for in 2019. So I'll have to leave some comments. Help guide me if I miss anything. Hanson, Mondesi, Carrasco, Joey Wendell. There's a Will Myers refractor. That's a cool card. Simeon, Peacock, batting leaders, Yelich, Freeman, and Gennett, and Crick. Since there's so many packs, I'll try to speed it up, go through them faster. Every time I say that, I open the packs much slower. Lamb, Barnhart, Turner, RBI leaders, a whole bunch of people. Baez, Arenado, Yelich, Aguilar, and Story. Aborted Apollo 13, Mission Comes Home. AJ Minter, I think that's the Rookie Cup. Para, Gerlin, and Perez. Panik, Dozier, Sandoval, Seager, Correa, Moran, Cordero, and Voth, Manny Machado, and Zimmerman. Kyle Seager, Jimenez, I think, Ferguson, Santana, Shoemaker, Trevor Story, school card, Kishek, Hendricks, Strop, and that must be a variation, Santana, maybe it's not. We'll set it aside just to check it out. Don't know. Anderson, Castellanos, and our memorabilia, Salvador Perez. Excuse me. Tanaka. Turner plays hero with go-ahead homer. Sporting News and Anderson. There we go. Got a Harper on back. Travis, Laureano, and Martini. Nate Jones, Duffy. There we go. Cool Ohtani Cup. Mookie Betts, Hunter, Swanson, and Bryce Harper. I don't know if that's a... Oh, yeah, it's the same. Nothing special. Pulling from both sides. All right. Prado, Castillo, Cobb, Hand, Lou Brock, and Whit Merrifield. Polanco, Perez, Brinson, Aaron Hicks. Conforto, Norwood and Underwood, Cespedes, Hamilton, Justin Upton, 421, I think that might be a variation. Astros, rookie stars, Valdez, James, and Dietz. Cologne, Peraza, Sporting News. Who's on the World Series? All right. Carl Mengden. Pitching leaders: Lester, Mikolas, Scherzer, Freeland, Nola, Camargo, Scherzer, Dickerson, Roden, Trainer, I think, Trainin, and Rodney. Dexter Fowler, Robertson, Vasquez, David Fletcher and Taylor Ward, JD Martinez, Sporting News, not going to try it, Newcomb, Peralta. Oof, almost dropped them all. Ryan Braun, don't know. Brock Holt, Dietrich, Javier Baez, Rookie Stars Braves, Span, Saved by the Bell, and Altuve. And as always, I'll go back through them to see if I missed any. All right. Drury, Nova, Yates, Margot. Yeah, it's the exact same one I got out of my blaster. Sosa and Garcia, Edwards Jr., Crawford, and Beckham. Josh Reddick, Villar, Rosario, Donaldson, first women promoted to U.S. Army Generals. World Series champions, John Gant, Rookie Stars Rockies, and Schebler. Giants, Sean Garcia, Simmons, Hernandez, Duffy, Arenado, don't know, Giles, Rin, and Barrio. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Rendon, Pence de Leon and Hudson, Eaton, Devers, looks like another variation. I'll have to check it out. Encarnacion, Mart, Ozuna, Stripling, and Jay Bruce. Yu Darvish, Moreland, O'Hearn, Kipnis. That's kind of cool. Kind of just like the JD Martinez, but that one seems to be off center. Adams and can't pronounce. Rodriguez, Birdie and McRae, and Paxton. Biddle, Mancada, Fulmer, Price, Mancini, Renfro, Winker, Syndergaard, got to set that aside, and Martin. Set all my Mets aside for a friend. Healy, Morrow, Longoria, Crawford, De Los Santos and Suarez, Chris Taylor, Ahmed, Sutter, I think it's Suter, and then Chris Sale. All right, 6 packs left. Mookie Betts, Zimmerman, Odor, Selman, I think, Belt, Abreu, Wheeler, Munoz, and Dyson, I think. All right, McNeil and Smith, Canna, Giolito, Yorko, baseball flashbacks, Reggie Jackson, Orioles rookie stars, Paul Fry, Mullins, and Wins, Alex Wood, Will Smith, and home run leaders, Gallo, Martinez, and Davis. Velasquez, Duvall, can't pronounce, Franco, Rizzo, won't try it, the Dominic Kirsch. When pigs fly, and Hernandez. Mike Minor. Not sure what that is. It's kind of crazy. Super thick card. Kela, Seth Lugo, James McCann. This thing is huge. Xander Bogaerts, 1/99, handwritten. It's kind of cool. Man, that thing's thick. Sweet. It says Clubhouse Collection. Very cool. I don't even think I have a case that can go in. I'll have to take a look. Flaherty, Adames, Cozart, Snell, Kluber, Severino, Jose Ramirez, Schwarber, Hirano, Stroman, and Junis. And our last pack. All right. Robbie Ray, Castillo, Duggar and Black, McGuire and Tejas, Munoy, Matt Chapman, Travis Shaw, JD Martinez, and Luke Weaver. Again, I didn't know really what to set aside. I'm going to go back through, check eBay, see what's selling, blah, blah, blah. Jose Ramirez, Mookie Betts, Yelich, Syndergaard, Martinez, Upton. I set that aside because I wasn't sure if that was a variation or not. Harper and Betts, Ohtani, Clubhouse Collection, Perez. Same thing with this, wasn't sure if it was a variation. Trevor Story, AJ Minter, oops, and then a Will Myers Refractor. It's a pretty cool card. I think that is serial number 2570. And then last but not least, the Clubhouse Collection, Xander Bogaerts, 1/99. Super cool. You have just received a Clubhouse Collection relic of Xander Bogaerts. Awesome. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. We have some older boxes coming next. I think we have 2 2016 Topps Update baseball coming up. And then a bunch of boxes after that I ordered. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.